दिस इज वॉट वी नो अबाउट दशहरा। हम सब ये जानते हैं ये स्टोरी कि रावण वॉज किल्ड बाय लॉर्ड राम बिकॉज ही किडनैप सीता एंड वो मारा गया। दैट्स वाई दशहरा हैज बीन सेलिब्रेटेड। बट वाई आर वी सेलिब्रेटिंग दशहरा फ्रॉम लास्ट 1000 of years? I will tell you about why, but let me tell you about Ravan first. Ravan was a highly intelligent, highly knowledgeable person. He was a strategist of military, external affairs, commerce, finance, every field. He was a master of every field. He was a perfect king, but he was not able to balance his 10 heads. And these are his 10 heads. Lust, pride, jealousy, inhumanity, greed, attachment, selfishness, ego, injustice, anger. ये सारी चीजें हम सब में भी होती है, हम ह्यूमंस में ये सब चीजें होती है। बट द थिंग इज टू बैलेंस इट। जो बैलेंस कर लेता है वो राम बन जाता है, और जो नहीं कर पाता वो रावण बन जाता है। एंड यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड विद रावण। ही वॉज किल्ड बिकॉज ही किडनैप्ड सीता। Now what is Dashera? Dashera means Dash. Dash means 10 and Hara means Hara. So 10 सिरों वाला आज के दिन हारा. That is why it is known as Dashera. And the coincidence is on the same day Ma Durga killed a asura called Mahishasura. That is why this day is called as Vijay Dakshmi. Vijay means victory and Dakshmi means 10th day of Navratra. Victory on the 10th day of Navratra is Vijay Dakshmi. And the other coincidence is in the times of Mahabharata, Arjuna defeated 1 lakh soldiers of Kauravas, including Bhishma Pitama, Dronacharya and many other top leaders of Kauravas. This is the day on which Ma Durga killed Mahishasur, Ram killed Ravan and Arjuna defeated Kauravas on the same day. The 3 stories, all the 3 facts, all the 3 incidents fortunately comes on the same day, and all of them gives us a common moral, and the moral is victory of good over evil. Good always wins over evil, so we should walk the path of truth and good. So that is why we celebrate Dashera every year, to remember that we should walk the path of truth and good, because in the end it wins. Now let me tell you some facts and celebrations of Dashera all over the country and even in the world. Ram Leelas happens all over the country, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Tawang to Jaisalmer. Every state, every city have Ram Leelas, have plays, have dramas, and the biggest Ram Leela of India happens in the Ram Leela Maidan of New Delhi. Fasting and worship of Ma Durga happens all over the country. Fasting gets started from the first day of Navratra to the last day of Dashera. Through fasting, we can restart our body, we can kickstart our immune system to perfect at its best throughout the year, if we see it scientifically. And worship of Ma Durga happens all over the country, especially in South India. Garba, which is a folk dance of Gujarat, has become so popular that it is not happening even in the country, but also it is popular in White House. Effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakarns are burned throughout the country. Dashera is celebrated in Nepal, Bangladesh and many other countries. And it is so popular in Malaysia that Malaysia has declared this day as a national holiday. Also, there is a story that in the times of Mahabharata, when Arjun and other Pandavas got exile of 13 years, in which 12 years was Vanvas and 1 year was like Agyatvas. In Agyatvas, they cannot reveal their identities. They cannot tell that they are the kings of Hastinapur or they are Pandavas. That is why they have to hide their weapons inside a shami tree. So on this day, the day of Dashera, they took their weapons out and they fought Kauravas and they won that battle. That is why some people, particularly Kshatriyas, they worship their weapons and shami tree on this day. Also, in the times of Dashera, around Dashera, the Kharif crops are being harvested and Rabi crops are being sown. So it is an indication for the farmers that the season has been changed. So they have to sow a new crop. Also, it is an indication that the seasons have been changed. Now the summers are gone and the winters have started. So the summary is both Ravan and Ram are inside us, but we have to choose what we want to become. Wish you a very happy Dashera.